So let's go ahead and back that up, and we're gonna do what we know will work, which is adding a pane with some custom content in it. So I'm gonna click the Edit Panel cogwheel, click Edit Panel. We're gonna change the title type to no title again, and then we're going to delete this panel pane. Again, we need to click on the cogwheel a couple of times in order to be able to scroll down to remove, and click OK. And now let's do something that will work. So we'll click the cogwheel for this center panel pane and click Add Content. And down here at the very bottom, we have this new custom content. We don't even have to go digging for it. For the administrative title, let's go ahead and put in page title. For the title, we're going to leave it blank. This is the title of the pane, so it would show up as a label above the pane. We don't want that. And then here in the body, we're going to add our h1 tags. So I'm going to do an opening h1 tag and a closing one. And then we need to go down here to Substitutions. I'm going to click this to expand it. This will give us a set of tokens that we can use within the content that will be replaced with content from our node or various other sources. So you see we can use the author, the body, the node ID, the content type. What we really want is a title. So I'm going to scroll down here until we see node title. There it is. And I'll copy this, and then I'm going to scroll up and paste it in between our h1 tags here. Now, one little gotcha is that the default text format is filtered HTML, and you can see from the allowed HTML tags that h1 isn't one of those that's allowed. So we need to change this to full HTML, which will allow our h1 tag to go through. I'm going to click Substitutions here to hide that and reveal this Finish button, and I'll click it. So now we have our new panel pane, and I'm going to drag it up here above our content and click Update and Save and cross my fingers. Hey, check it out. We have our title here, Review of Airspeed Velocity t-shirt.